Hey everybody, it's Daniel from the blog It's Like Having My Own Card Shop. I've got my two oldest boys with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And I got this in the mail today. Topps had a contest on Facebook where they were looking for some feedback about 2012 archives, and they just randomly selected 5 people from all the comments to give them a box. And so I got this box in the mail today. Excited to open it and wanted to do it live. So let's see what we get. Archives promises 2 autos.
I don't know what. There's a lot
box.
of cards, Daddy.
So let's
There's a lot of cards.
let's dig in. Let's see what we get.
First
pack.
Can you show us the card first?
Let's see. Oh, Mickey Mantle right off the top.
Can we see it?
Okay. Ty Cobb, Marco Scutaro, Roberto Clemente,
Daddy is Marco.
Roger Maris sticker with the
Sticker?
Cardinals, Brandon Phillips, Justin Upton, Jacoby
You have that card
Ellsbury.
a lot.
Yeah, I have the whole D-backs team set from this already. So just looking to see what else I might be able to get and what autos. Okay, calm down. R.A. Dickey, Brandon Morrow, Matt Moore, Jordan Zimmerman, Willie Mays, one of the 3D cards, Gio Gonzalez, CC Sabathia, and Paul Goldschmidt.
We have that.
Next up, third pack in, CC Sabathia on the back,
Pushing Colby.
Mike Moustakas on the front, Trevor Cahill, Darryl Strawberry, Alan Craig, Willie McCovey. And this one
McCovey.
seems a little different.
Willie McCovey.
I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little gold archives. I haven't actually opened any of this previously, so I'm familiar with it. Like I said, I have the team set. I've got some inserts from it. Okay, calm down, okay? Alright. Pack number 4. Jason Worth, Nick Swisher, Giovanni Soto, D. Gordon, another 3D card, Matt Kemp, Madison Baumgartner, Sean Markham, Ben Zobrist.
Oh, Barnyard.
You're silly. Alright, next pack. Torrey Hunter, Steven Strasburg, Brandon Beachy, Drew Storen, Don Mattingly. So this has got the gold Topps archives on there as well. So it might signify that it's an actual card. I suppose I could look at the back here. I don't know. And next pack. John Danks, Brett Lowry, Justin Masterson, Gary Carter. Here's a cloth card of Stephen Carlton, Paul Goldschmidt, double, huh? Jesus Montero and Alex Gordon. So the cloth cards, looks like they're 1 in 6, maybe? I'm not sure. Right. Next up. This one did feel a little thicker. It has the Topps pennant insert. Joe Mauer, Ricky Weeks, Eric Hosmer, Brett Gardner. Here's one of the Decal cards, Juan Marshall. No. Shane Victorino, Robinson Cano, Andrew McCutcheons.
Can't take for a long time.
Next up, let's see, Ozzie Smith on the back, Keith Bell on the front, Asdrubal Cabrera, BJ Upton, Irvin Santana. Here's another sticker card. This is one of the 77 stickers of Gary, or cloth card, not sticker. Cloth. No, it says it's a sticker. Feels like cloth. Jackie Robinson, Lou Gehrig, and Ozzie Smith. Alright. Next up, one of the Topps pennants. This has a decal card. Johnny Cueto, Tom Seaver, Justin Verlander, Desmond Jennings, Joe Mauer. Insert. Matt Cain, Dan Herron, Reggie Jackson. Next up, Lonnie Chisenhall on the back, Grady Sizemore on the front, Brandon Belt, Dustin Ackley, Andrew Bailey, Babe Ruth, Phil Rizzuto, Jared Parker rookie, and Lonnie Chisenhall again, like I said. Next up, maybe this is pack number 10 or so. Michael Morse, Aroldis Chapman, Troy Tulowitzki, Vaughn Hayes. That is bizarre. That is really weird.
What?
So this says, it has the little gold thing on it, Topps Archives Fan Favorites Certified Autograph issue with no autograph.
That's bad.
Yeah, that's kind of stinks. So I think that should have been an autograph, but for some reason, let's see, no autograph on there. It's kind of weird. Jim Rice, one of the cloth stickers. Evan Longoria, Shane Victorino, Joe Morgan.
Maybe you should
Okay, can you get down? Get down.
Probably shake it.
Well, we'll see. I don't know what's going on with that. You're supposed to get 2 autographs per box. Zach Greinke, Matt Holliday, Jason Hayward, Michael Bourne, Mitch Williams, Carlos Gonzalez, another Jackie Robinson, another Luke Gehrig. Ryan Braun, Joey Votto, Ryan Vogelsong. Okay, here's an auto.
A few.
Joe Charbonneau. I probably butchered that. I mean, I've seen this guy, but not sure how you pronounce the name. So, I don't know. Maybe that's my second auto. I don't know about that first one. Kevin Youkilis, the cloth sticker, Adrian Gonzalez, Ubaldo Jimenez, John Lester. So,
you have a lot of cards, Daddy.
again, about halfway through the box. Looks like I may have gotten my 2 autos, but I've only gotten actually 1. Elvis Andrews, Adam Lind, Wade Boggs, Matt Harrison, Wally Joyner, Babe Ruth, Carlos Ruiz, Phil Rizzuto. Sorry I'm not really showing the cards, but this product's been out a while, and so I figure most of you have seen it. Cole Hamels, Alex Rodriguez, Josh Johnson, Michael Young, Don Mattingly. Too bad it's not auto. That would have been awesome. Madison Bumgarner, Sean Markham, Ben Zobrist.
Did you just say awesome?
I said it would have been awesome if it was the Don Mattingly autograph. David Freese, Justin Morneau, Jaime Garcia.
Was the Diamondbacks.
Yep. Niger Morgan, Robin Yount, again with the gold Topps Archives up at the top there. Adrian Beltre, Mark Trumbo, Ian Kennedy.
I have the card too.
Yeah. I think I've got 8 packs left, is it? So this is
No.
okay, here's one of the gold cards. It's actually Tom Seaver. Alright, Ryan Braun again, Joey Votto, Ryan Vogelsong. Here's the gold Tom Seaver. We got Dave Kingman, Ozzie Smith, Babe Ruth, Carlos Ruiz. Next pack.
Oh no, I
think this is,
that was
there's 7 left. Let's see what we get here. David Ortiz, Josh Hamilton, Cal Ripken Jr., Anibal Sanchez, Miguel Cabrera,
Chris Young.
Chris
Chris
Young,
Young.
yeah.
I have that card.
Ian Kinsler, Brandon
too.
Phillips.
I think that was supposed to be the autograph.
6 packs remain. Ike Davis, Yogi Berra, Billy Butler, another gold card. This one of Brian Wilson. Luis Tiant, Jared Parker, Lonnie Chisenhall, Madison Baumgartner. Lots of doubles in the box. I don't know how many cards are in the set, but a lot of doubles. I'm seeing a lot of doubles.
There's only 5 more.
Reggie Jackson on the back, Yadier Molina on the front, Tim Hudson, Jason Mott, Jay Bruce, Tom Seaver sticker. Yep. Matt Cain, Dan Heron. Alright, 4 packs left.
Daddy, this is kind of bad. It's almost.
Yeah, I think I got shorted an autograph. So, Howie Kendrick, Brad Peacock, Drew Pomeranz, Johan Santana, Frank Howard, Justin Upton, Jacoby Ellsbury, Derek Holland.
Justin Upton, we have back at 2.
Yep.
2 more left.
3 more. This one and 2 other packs. Carl Crawford, Chipper Jones, Clayton Kershaw, Derek Jeter, Eddie Murray with the gold, Topps Archives, Evan Longoria, Shane Victorino, Robinson Cano.
Oh no.
2 left. Let's see what we get here.
I hope you get that autograph. The sticker.
Daniel Hudson, Curtis
Yeah, that
Granderson, Tommy Hanson, John Axford, Brooks Robinson with the gold, Topps Archives, Phil Rizzuto, Jared Parker, Lonnie Chisenhall. I think that's the 3rd Jared Parker and Lonnie Chisenhall.
This is the one.
Last pack. And
The Fraser.
Mike Schmidt, Joe DiMaggio, Vance Worley, Adam Jones, George Sparky Anderson
Daddy, I hope the last
with the gold, Sean Markham, Ben Zobrist, and Matt Cain.
Yeah, you.
So, that's it.
Can we watch the show?
Kind of disappointing
Can we watch the show, Daddy?
to,
Daddy, can we watch the show?
hold on, bud. So my 2 autos, which I hesitate to say 2 autos. The first one, I guess that was actually the second one that I pulled, but the first one did not actually have an autograph on it. Blank. No auto. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back of Von Hayes.
Is he a
So,
good player?
not so much. Alright, that's it. That's all I have for you.
Don't you watch the show?
I was excited for the box, left a little disappointed, but it was a free box, so I can't complain too much. Alright.